Hello everyone. Today, I'll demonstrate how you can optimize both the costs and performance of your cloud infrastructure using Emma's AI-driven actionable insights and recommendations. Reviewing advisories. First, navigate to your project. Under the Advisories tab, you'll find multiple recommendations designed to help you optimize workloads, such as resizing or deleting instances based on historical usage data. Deleting underutilized instances. Let's review one example. Suppose Emma recommends deleting an underutilized instance. Simply click the Delete button next to the recommendation, confirm by typing the project name, and click Delete again. The action is immediately initiated, and within a few minutes, the instance will be removed. Resizing instances for optimization. Now let's explore another scenario, resizing an instance. Emma clearly indicates the current CPU allocation and recommends an optimized configuration, along with the potential cost savings. Click on the provided recommendation, then select Resize to apply the change. The resizing action is now initiated and you're all set. With Emma's intelligent recommendations, optimizing your infrastructure has never been easier.